Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all are having a wonderful day with your friends and family or loved ones. I love to jump on here on Thanksgiving Day just to show you all how very thankful I am. I'm so glad you all have decided to become part of the DIY family and for subscribing, and I'm so very grateful for that. It's been an amazing journey and it's all thanks to every single one of you. I also have a couple of announcements, and the first one I know you're going to be really excited about. Last December, I did 12 days of Dollar Tree DIYs, and because you guys have shown so much interest and requested it again this year, I decided to bring it back. Now this year, I'm going to tweak it just a little bit, so instead of 12 days in a row, I'm going to do them Monday through Friday for 13 days. You'll actually get a bonus one this year. So from Monday through Friday for 2.5 weeks, you're gonna get a new Dollar Tree DIY. And the reason I'm doing it that way this year is just so I have a little bit of extra family time on the weekends, which is the most important thing during the holidays. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope you all are too. The other announcement that I have is another big tradition that you all know about here on my channel, and that is my big Black Friday sale. Now you know that I have my Etsy shop, which is crossingmyheart.com, and it has decals and stencils that I use in my tutorials. So I make those available for you, whether you use them to recreate the projects that I'm making or use them to get creative on your own and make your own home decor pieces. I have those all in my Etsy shop, and there's decals and stencils for every season and every holiday. And as you probably know, I don't often run sales, maybe one or two throughout the year, and they're smaller sales just as a thank you to you guys. But my Black Friday sale is huge. You will actually get 30% off my entire shop. There is no coupon code required. You just head over to crossingmyheart.com, and everything in my shop right now for the next 2 days, so Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday, is on sale for 30% off. And you don't want to miss out on that because, like I said, there may not be another sale for a really long time. The 12 days of Christmas will start on Monday, December 2nd. I'm so looking forward to that. I hope you guys are too. Thank you so much again, and I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving and holiday season. I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye everyone.